Whoa, this is a weird looking cave. Ah! Yoshi's Cool presents The Adventures of Rubber Chicken. Chapter 1. An Unexpected Hero. Yet another weird cave. Ah! 5 minutes later. That's him. That's the creature that attacked me.
It's a chicken. We have to decide what troops we want to fight this creature.
Mario.
Nah.
Hi.
Nope.
Yeah, Bowser.
Still no.
Oh, come on. Yoshi.
Still no.
Ah! Pink, who does very little and does minimal damage.
We'll take him. Heavy artillery and tanks will attack from this position. Air support will come in here and here. Ground troops move in at point A. Reinforcements may be needed. Huh? Me and you are going to attack from here, and then Pink's going to fly in and shoot. Why didn't you just say that? I did.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. Oh, wait, no, I am the sir. Go, go, go. There it is. Prepare to move in.
To be continued.